What's up, beautiful people? In this video we will be harvesting our summer harvest, well, the things that we have to harvest in our garden, and you don't want to miss especially the end announcement that we have. Let's dance, y'all. Oh. What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 Alright, beautiful people, and before we get into our harvest, we first have to say thank you, as we have made 10,000 subscribers. Yes, it is all because of you, your love, and sharing these videos that we've been able to get to the milestone that we were able to do. Now, I say we because it's not just me that's behind this channel, but it is also my lovely wife, Crystal Jones. Okay, I thought she was gonna say her name, but I'll take the love nonetheless. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Let the people know what's your channel.
Yes, so my channel is A Mile in My Stilettos.
Yes.
And what we do on that channel, Ricky, you see him all the time on there as well. But we give relationship advice to singles who are looking to get married and not have to deal with the long dating process. I also do hair tutorials and things like that, lifestyle. All of that.
Yes. But now, with that being said, I'll put a link below so that you can subscribe to her channel and get all of what she just said. And we're going to go ahead and get into this harvesting. And as I said, make sure you stay to the end because some exciting, also exciting, very so exciting, extremely exciting, infinitely times exciting news is coming your way. Let's get to it with my wife. So in order to have a good harvest, you have to have your harvesting apparatus, which we have our basket and our shears. And we're going to start off, my dear, in the bucket section, okay? So let's go to the bucket section. Have you harvested anything here lately or recently?
No.
Okay, so it's been a long time. So let's start off. So, of course, you know, we have the lovely mint. I grew that for you because I know you love mint and everything like that. Is it to your smelling, to your liking?
Yes.
Okay, I mean, you don't have to harvest it. Don't
I
feel
was
like
just
you need
seeing
to.
which kind it was.
Okay.
Because, you know, I like the lemon mint one.
Yes, and so that one is the spearmint.
Yes, this is the spearmint.
And so you're able to tear, because of also the leaves as well. It's in the shape of a spear. Like
okay, that makes sense.
Boom shakalaka, that's your spearmint. Now we have a beet that has grown, and I think it is overdue for harvesting. And so let's just go ahead and give that a pull. Yes, ma'am, it's a pull. So just go ahead. Let's see. Oh, it's itty bitty, teeny weeny, but it's a beet. It's our first beet, my dear. So we're gonna throw that in there. Oh, let me see. Let me see everything again. Okay. Yes, it's the golden one.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna give it a try. Of course, we have our lavender always ready to be harvested, and we also have some jalapenos.
I want some lavender because I like lavender lemonade.
Okay, so you can cut. So let's go ahead and harvest the lavender. Now, what you want to do is cut the tip area, and that is what you actually harvest. So right around here. You can even cut lower.
Cut right here?
Yes, ma'am. Boom. That's one of your lavender. You just harvest it. Yep. Boom. Just like that. Look at you, professional.
I'm going to do 3.
Yes, ma'am. Get the 3 best ones, okay? Only the best for you. All right. And so we have that. We have a jalapeno. It is ready. The other one is already dropped. This one is beyond ready. But you can go ahead and cut. It's best to cut from here. Yep. Boom. Drop it like it's hot. All right. So let's go over to the other buckets. It's always fun. Last time we had the kids out here harvesting. This time I have my lovely wife. It's always good when you have other people to garden with me. Pun intended. So we also have some more jalapenos, my dears. So let's go ahead. So many. You're right. Let's go ahead and harvest all of these, really. This one has been on here actually longer than it needs to be. You can see the veins there.
So when the veins start to come, that means that
it's been there too long.
Okay.
Yep, and it's starting to...
So you want to get it before the veins.
Correct. It's starting to consume a lot of water and things like that, and ultimately it's just time to harvest.
I noticed that the tip of these scissors look a little different. Are these special like harvesting shears?
No, they're actually just scissors from the Dollar Tree. I appreciate your level of detail.
No, my scissors don't look like this. So I just didn't know. Did they come from the garden section? No, just regular?
Yeah, regular. Yeah. happy, go
My
lucky.
scissors don't look like that.
You can cut actually all of these because I have somebody that I'm going to give them to. And I let her know that I have some red ones, I have some green ones. Because, you know, you've maybe seen some that have been red. You've seen some that have been green. And both are good to consume, to eat. And so, you know, it's all to the good at the end of the day. It's harvest day, so we can pick. When you grow your own things, you can pick and eat and select whatever you want. And that's what we are doing. And so also what we have over here, my dear, is some mint. This is some more spearmint, ever so nice and lush. And actually the mint that you like is over here. It's actually over here. But before we get over here, we have some carrots that we have in the buckets as well. 2 different types of carrots. The label is, let's see, is the label still holding on? No, the label has faded, ladies and gentlemen. But nonetheless, let's just see. Let's give it a tug. I'm gonna tug at the roots of this one here, and let's see the size. Oh, look at that. Hello. Wow, well, I'm gonna keep it. It's going in there. Let me just try one of these carrots.
Get one with bigger leaves. You got one with such tiny leaves.
Okay, let's see. This one has bigger leaves. Ooh. Oh. Okay.
Making progress.
I'm gonna eat it. You know, you can buy baby carrots from the store, and this is what I'll say. That's what it is. I'm gonna just shave off the roots from the roots. It actually smells very good, and I'm gonna just go ahead and give it a grow. And
you think the other ones are
basil.
still growing?
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely still growing. They're supposed to be a lot bigger than that. But this is the mint that you like here for your, you know, flavored teas, for your drinks, to accessorize your life and things like that. That's the mint that you like. And of course, we have sweet potatoes that
we are not. It?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, just like that. And sweet potatoes, well, we're not gonna mess with the leaves right now. People say you can eat the leaves. Did you know that, babe?
Of sweet potatoes?
Yeah, they say it tastes good. You can saute it like spinach.
No, I didn't. I didn't know that. How far down do I cut?
You know, you don't really have to cut. You can just you don't have to cut, as you did again. But what you can simply do is take the leaves off the stem. Oh. Because it's the leaves that you want.
It's so much easier to cut.
Yeah, and it also is damaging as well.
Okay, I don't want to damage it.
Yep, no worries, my dear.
Okay, so just like pull it.
Ever so gently.
It's
just like you're taking something living, right? And so you're gentle with life, even as it is a plant.
One more.
And so when harvesting mint, what you can do is hold the stem as you're taking the leaves off the stem so that you don't mess up the root ball, the root system that's going on under the soil. So the more, that's fine. That's what we're talking through it, right? So the more that you harvest, the better we are in harvesting. And so, you know, it's all good. So we have some okra that is still growing, nothing that has been visible, but we do have some blooms that have started right here. And those will turn into okra that we love so ever so gently there as well. But we don't have anything there.
Yeah, I have a really good okra recipe.
Awesome.
That I actually think I put on our family channel. I think the okra recipe that I did.
If so, I'm gonna put a link below.
Yeah, I'll
How
find
about
it.
that? Okra recipe. We have some beans, but no beans. Okay, so maybe I should say we have some bean plants, but no actual beans on them right now. As well as over here, which I showed y'all before. It looks so great, but there's not one bean.
Luscious.
And here are some more jalapenos in the raised bed. We're not gonna harvest these. If you can see from there, that's what they are. We also have some bees going in there as well, which we love having bees in our garden as well as butterflies. We have some bell peppers. So we can actually harvest one of these bell peppers, babe, because it looks like
it's nice and ready.
Yep, it's nice and ready. So with the bell pepper, all you have to do is hold it, the fruit itself, and twist it. So I'm gonna hold the plant as well. Boom, just like that, baby bell pepper. And we'll leave the other ones. There's a lot more forming. There's about 3 more forming. Yep, we'll let them do what they do. We also have some regular basil here if you ever so want some basil. We have some right there.
And what's the best way to harvest the basil?
Same way you do the
mint?
Yes.
Okay.
You hold the stem and you take the leaves off. Because it's the leaves that you consume and it's the leaves that you use when you harvest. You don't want any basil? Today.
You know what? Actually, I'm thinking about making some crab cakes.
Okay.
Later, so that might be nice.
And so that is basil, and we also have Thai basil over there as well. Basil, yeah.
Just a little to add a little pop of flavor to the crab cakes.
Crab cake love. All
I think it'll be nice.
I do agree myself, my dear. And so those are the actual things that we actually have in our summer garden so far, because as you all know, we live in the great state of Florida, and in Florida it is hot, as it is even hot for us right now. But nonetheless, in the heat, a lot does not grow, but nonetheless, with the coming months, a lot more will be planted in our gardens, which I'm so excited about. The kale, the collards, and the kale and the collards, right? I'm so excited about that. And spinach. I love greens. I love leafy greens, and I love greens. So the more greens that I can have, the more greens that I can grow, the better I am happy about my garden and about our garden. And I'm so excited about all the other things that I will be doing in the garden, not only in the front yard, but also in the back. And so you want to make sure that you stay tuned, because I promise you, there's going to be some things that you want to do.
I'm excited about the bean. Last time when we harvested green beans, they were they tasted totally different than when you buy them at the grocery store,
Very
even
true.
when you buy the fresh ones.
True.
So I'm really looking forward to the beans.
Nah, I so agree. It's
They're
the
really
snap
good.
and the fresh bean is unlike anything that you've had from the store. I'm going to just say that. That's truth. All right, so without further ado, I think we could go ahead and get into this special announcement, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so in the announcement that we have today, I'm also excited to let you know that in the merch store, if you don't see the pictures down below, I promise you, you will see a Linktree link in the description. We have some new merch, ladies and gentlemen. Our new company, Garden With Me, has officially launched, and we have some shirts in the store. What is it? It's the Ultimate Garden Family, okay? Also, you see we have some flags representing our top 5 viewed countries that view our YouTube channel, okay? And so that is what is represented here, and that is what you see. And as you wear the shirt, you are reminded there are people all around this world that is a part of this garden family. And as you wear the shirt, you are saying that I am in the family as well. And with that being said, we also have some fun things that are going to be starting in the month of August, and those fun things are a gardening club, okay? And Garden With Me is gonna have a garden club, and in that garden club, there are gonna be some fun, exciting things that we're gonna get to do, okay? So you will see, if not on this video, the coming videos, a join button. And with that join button, you can join the family and be a part of all the various things that we have going on. Like I said, we're gonna have some meetups, we're gonna have some videos, we're gonna have some exclusive content, there's gonna be merchandise giveaways, it's gonna be merchandise sales, it's gonna be so many things, okay? So make sure for the month of August, you jump in, lock in, and join the family. And before you even do that, go ahead and get the merch. There's so many short sleeve, not really short sleeve, there's long sleeves, because y'all know I prefer long sleeves to protect yourself while out in the garden, okay? And so get one, get two, get three, and I promise you it's gonna be everything that you need. Now I think that's it. I think that concludes the announcement, okay? I gave you the name of the company.
I have a question.
Garden With Me. I showed you about the merch. It's gonna be down below. And I told you about our club that we're gonna be starting on this YouTube channel. What is your question, my dear?
My question is,
yes.
I see you have some flags, like you said, the top 5 represented.
Yes.
If more of the countries that are watching want their flag added, is that possible if they share about Garden With Me to others, build the following up in their country, so that then they can get their flag added to the shirt?
Boom. And so what I will say is that if you do not see your country's flag represented on the shirt, what you can do is join the garden family. When there are 20 people within the club, you will see a shirt dedicated to your country.
I like that.
How about that?
I like that.
Because we're all about bringing people together, okay? The whole idea behind Garden With Me is bringing people together all around the world to encourage first-time gardeners, new gardeners, or people that even have thought about gardening, and let them know it is a lot easier than you think. If you can take care of yourself, you can take care of the garden. And I promise you, I'm gonna show you how. So, with that being said, Garden With Me has officially launched, and it is through you all and with you all that we get to do it. And I'm so excited with that, and I believe that concludes this video and this harvest. And I promise you, this week and beyond is gonna be so much fun, because we have the encouragement and the love of you all, and it just invigorates us and gets us excited about so much and doing so much more. Anything you want to say, my dear, because the people don't get to see you often?
I just want to say I really appreciate you guys supporting the garden with me, the gardening that my amazing husband out here doing. Make sure you comment if there's anything you want to know, questions that you have about gardening, anything. Let us know where you're from. Let us know where you're from watching this video in the comments. If you saw your flag, drop your flag in the comments. If you didn't see your flag, let us know where you're from. We want to know where you're from because we want to know we're bringing people together.
That's right. And with that being said, we love you all. We appreciate you all. Until the next video, have fun in the garden and loving on your family. Peace. Well done.